Ladies and gentlemen, today, 22nd of March, is Kọ́yìnsọ́lá Olúwapẹ̀lúmi's birthday.
Èní lọ́jọ́ ìbí ẹ, ẹ kú àṣeyẹ, ẹ̀mí aṣọ pọ̀ ẹ. Èní lọ́jọ́ ìbí ẹ, ẹ kú àṣeyẹ, ẹ̀mí aṣọ pọ̀ ẹ.
Thank you. Kọ́yìnsọ́lá Emmanuel Olúwapẹ̀lúmi, you are +1 today. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. DJ. I love that song and I'm sure she will love it too. This is a special greeting from my humble self and the entire Collerk1 entertainment. Pelumi, as you begin another phase of your life, it is my prayer that you shall be endowed with every quality needed to live a happy and successful life. I also pray that you will receive wisdom and strength to surmount every challenge that may come your way. May the divine light of God always shine on you wherever you may go. We pray that the great architecture of life will mold your life and make it shine as beautiful as the morning star. We love you.